Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I have something to share with you guys. So I ordered my 3D printer from Micro Center, and it came in mail today. And I am thinking about, as you guys can see, it's Header 3 Pro, and I'm going to unbox this, but I would like to see how many of you guys want me to unbox this on my channel live, from opening the box to setting it up and everything. As you guys can see right here, it is the Header 3 Pro. So just let me know in the comments below if you guys really want to see this opening of the box and setting up this 3D printer. And yeah, so I just want to make this really quick video because I am thinking about opening this and setting it up and see how it looks. But I would like you guys to comments below this video and let me know what do you guys think, and if you guys want me to record a video and post on the YouTube, or should I do it live? So just let me know in the comments below, and also subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss the video, and if I go on live, so you guys don't miss that live for the Header 3 Pro printer, opening the box, unboxing of this, and setting it up. So I just want to ask you guys really quick that, it just came in the mail, and I am going to unbox this, but I just need to know how many of you guys really want me to do the unboxing live, or just pre-recorded video I should post on my channel. And I'm sorry, this box was way too big for my desk, so that's why I'm making it on the floor. You guys see the carpet. This is a really big box, so, and it's really heavy too. So that's been said, let me know in the comments below, and also subscribe to my channel if you guys have not, because just let me know how you guys want me to unbox this, unbox live, or record a video and post on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you and peace.